Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to play games on Lineup in 2024. First thing is open up your Lineup, then you tap on, from here you have services here. You can tap on see all. If you want to see all the services, you can see all the services. So we have line games, so you can tap on line games to open up the game section. Now you can see the popular games here. These are the popular games, and then at the bottom here we have game collection. We have simulation, puzzle, action. Let's say we want simulation, tap on simulation. Then we have puzzle, we have action. You can see it. Let's say simulation, we tap on it. Let's see we can play the game. And now you can install the game to play. So for you to play a game on Lineup, you have to first install the game on your phone. Okay, so it's not as if you can actually play a game there. Let's try another one. When you tap on the game, it will redirect you to Google Play for you to install the game. So that is how to do it. So once you install the game, then you can now play it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which you put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.